Exceed English, Grade 5, Block number 18, Writing Science Fiction, Lesson Plan 4, Review Science Fiction. Students will be able to review and edit science fiction stories. When question is asked about the story, we think more deeply about each aspect character, setting, scientific invention, problem, and solution. This helps us to add the detail in the story that were missing before. For example, the question helped me to visualize how my future world looks with scientific inventions, and I got ideas for adding more detail to the setting. What does your future world look like? It's a high tech city full of talking machines. How would you describe the major scientific invention in your story? There is a robot who talks, act like humans. Does the story talk about a character? Does the story have an invention or technology about the future? Does the story show a futuristic setting? Does the story have a problem and its solution? Does the story have adverbs? Write at least one idea to make the story better. Name of the character, invention, description of setting, problems and solutions, and adverbs. Let's start doing exercise question. Take out your English reader to page number 98. Underline the adverb in each sentence and write whether it is an adverb of time, place, or manner. The garden was beautiful. Garden has beautiful flowers everywhere. Everywhere, adverb of place. I will soon come to your house. Soon, adverb of time. I went to her place yesterday. Yesterday, adverb of time. The monkey climbed up the tree quickly. Quickly, adverb of manner. What do you see here? Here, adverb of place. Complete the story with adverb of your choice. The girl's ring was lost somewhere. She walked fast. She was already late. She wanted to reach the ship soon. The girl's ring was lost somewhere. She walked fast. Was already late. She wanted to reach the ship soon. Somewhere, fast, late, soon are the adverbs. Interview a friend by asking 9 to 10 how, when, where questions. Write the questions and answers and underline the adverb. How? How do I talk? I talk loudly. How do I write? I write neatly. How do I speak? I speak fluently. When did you come? I came yesterday. When will you do this work? I will do it late. When did you leave from school? I left early. Where did you go? I went outside. Where are you? I'm here. Where did you lose your watch? I lost it somewhere. Imagine what the future world will look like 100 years from now. Think about a character that live in this world. Think of the problem she or she faces and how it is solved. Draw a story map to organize the idea for the story that you plan to write. Title of the story: Trip to Mars. Character: Rohini. Setting: a place called Mars. Main scientific invention: spaceship. What happened in the story? Rohini plays in the spaceship that her scientist mother is working upon. In her excitement, she presses some switches and wakes up in a different surrounding. A planet, Mars. Problem: Rohini doesn't know how to go back home. Solution: her mother comes and saves her. Question number 5th. Use the ideas from question number 4 to write an original fiction story. Use adverb of time, place, and manner to describe your character section. Rohini was sleeping quietly in her bed. Suddenly, she heard some noise in the backyard. She saw that her mother had come with some people and a spaceship. Wow, the spaceship is finally here. Rohini was thrilled. She always wanted to see how people in the other world live. Rohini kept waiting for her mom to sleep. When she saw that her mom was fast asleep, she went into spaceship and started fiddling with the spaceship. Off it went high in the sky. Rohini was excited but nervous as she did not know where she was going. Suddenly the ship halted and Rohini went around to see what all was there. When she came back, when she came back, there was no spaceship. Rohini had not stopped the engine. There were no signs of life on this planet. Rohini was worried how she would get back home. Then she saw a speck of light which grew larger and larger. Oh, it was Rohini's mom. Make a copy of the writing checklist from worksheet S3 in your notebook. Read your story from question 5 and fill in your writing checklist. My characters goes on an adventure. Yes. I have told what the future would in my story looks like. Yes. I have dressed described imaginary events that could possibly happen in the future. Yes. My story has a problem and solution. Yes. My story has details that are related to science. Yes. I have used adverbs to describe the action in detail. Yes. Question number 8. Imagine a future where human minds can be scanned and uploaded onto a computer. Write a paragraph about the different things that might happen in such a world. It would be a strange world as people would not be able to think fearlessly. There will always be a chance that their thoughts could be scanned and uploaded on a computer. The crimes would be different than how it takes place today. The thieves would target good minds and try to steal the unique ideas in them. However, it would have its own advantages. The scanned minds of great people can guide future generations.